Now this has been handed over to CBI. Let the CBI comes out with their findings. Till then, these are all speculations. Once the CBI comes out with definite information, who is involved, who is not involved, all that we will know. Till then, we cannot react to this.
So there are also questions being raised about her political links because she was allotted land during the BJP's tenure, sir.
No, even that has to be found out. No, even that is that. I also saw. I hail from Tumkur because I was told this was allotted in January when BJP was in power.
So KADB has given statement on that, sir.
Yeah.
But her political connections is surfacing.
Yeah, let them say so.
The land was given during the BJP
Yeah,
term.
let them say so. Who has influenced, who has directed, or the committee has taken a decision. There is a single window committee in that. There's so many people are there, senior officers are there, and ministers. Ultimately, it comes to the minister. Who was the minister at that point of time? How this was? Let them point out and say.
Sir, Kodava Samaja has written a letter to you to enhance the security of Rashmika Mandana after the statement of Congress MLA Ravi Ganigas.
No, I have not received that letter. I'll just check up in my office. If it has come, then we will see what has to be done in that direction.
So the third arrest has happened in the Koppal rape case.
Yeah, that one person yesterday I was mentioning that he's roaming around in Tamil Nadu. So they have now taken secured him. He will be brought to Bangalore or even Koppal. So you see, all the three have been arrested.
Sir, BJP has criticized you taking the name of the victims in Koppal rape and murder case. That you have revealed the name of the victims.
Sir, by putting
That's what the report is. This is the report is.